Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy a page to another project in Webflow. This is incredibly useful when you want to reuse existing designs across different sites without having to rebuild everything from scratch. Let's jump right in and get this done. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where all your sites are displayed. From here, navigate to your All Sites section and hover your mouse over the site containing the page you want to copy. Click on Open in Webflow to launch the site editor. Once the editor loads, direct your attention to the upper left panel. Here, you'll find the Navigator option. Click on it to reveal the complete structure of your site. This panel displays all your lists and elements, including the body, page wrapper, footer, and every other component that makes up your page. The Navigator is essential for this process because it gives you a clear view of the page structure you're working with. Now, select your preferred page by clicking on it within the Navigator. Keep in mind that you'll need to do this manually since Webflow doesn't allow you to copy an entire page in one go. Instead, you'll be copying the page structure element by element. Once you've selected the page you want to copy, right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select Copy. This action saves the page structure to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your new project. Next, open your new blank site editor in a separate tab or window. Make sure you're working with the project where you want to paste the copied page. Click first on your canvas to ensure it's active and ready to receive the content. Then, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut pastes the copied page structure directly into your new project. Give it a moment to process as Webflow needs time to transfer all the elements and styling information. And that's it. You've successfully copied a page from one Webflow project to another. This method saves you significant time when building multiple sites with similar layouts or when you need to migrate design elements between projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.